Good evening, motherfuckers. My name is Dragojlo. Would you like to learn a language that is so superior to any language in the world? I know you do. Me and two of my buddies, Zavid and Gvozden, real professional Serbs, will help you out. Cause you don't need to learn this beautiful language from a fake Serbs and bad teachers.
Fake Serbs and bad teachers.
Č, Ć, Dž, Đ, Ž, R, Nj, Lj.
Gdje si imamo ti jedan 100 godina se ne javljaš? Pičko smrljava, tebe nema 100 godina u kurac te je.
And that means, hi there, where have you been the last 100 years, fuck your mother? And the answer is, hey you stinky cunt, you were the one who hasn't been calling me the last 100 years, fuck your dick.
Pa jebe u mater, već 2 mjeseca mi duguješ one pare.
Će za pišljeva 150 dinara da me drkaš oca ti jebe.
Fuck his mother, you owe me money for 2 months now. Are you gonna jerk me off for 150 pissing dinars, fuck your father?
Ma teri se u 3 lepe pičke vatmine konju jedan.
Ma će se teram, a pre toga ću te ščepim od bolju.
Drive yourself into 3 beautiful mothers whom you whores. And the answer is, I will drive myself, but first I'm gonna tear you apart with drubbing. I'm not sure about that.
Ma je veš to, aj večeras puštam rakiju kod Radiša u Tresijevovu. 100 godina sin smo otreskali.
Fuck that! Let's go to Radisha's shaking grandmother. I'll buy you a drink. We haven't gotten ourselves drunk for 100 years.
Pomogli bismo da ga zalijemo malko.
Yeah, we could definitely soak it a little.
And remember, don't confuse this language to all of those similar sucky languages like Bosnian Herzegovinian, Croatian, Macedonian, Slovenian, Bulgarian, and many others. See ya real soon.
Results may vary.
We are the Serbs. We'll fuck your mothers. We'll fuck your sisters. We'll fuck your daughters. We'll fuck your daughters.